Bete gako sirio bugima bwaye magiga yakirike gotebekana na nigo arasetweri sasi asebigoti n'abanyanyimbo cinga kicio korobekana aburi tukure igoro negekore kyaberege kugikerwa awase amate yaberege kurera oboene yentononya nabokirira borokwa ase university yo wesoke na gokora ukorobekana bakugania oboene bororokane nonya nabo nigo murai wiki amake odi Raila Amolo Odinga abakago kwarerengane yo na nigo barachi gutigara bateneine ne amate yo muri Keito Vincent Onyancha no roboti Abuona baroki wabe University ya Maseno imeye county ya Kisumu bakorokorobekana igoro yokora soko yo mobo aburi tukule igoro chinga kicha mandamano asebaganiryo bone bwabo na komochia serikali Okongusana nuko nigo kwagendera asegeka emambia ya rero Omoroki woyo William Mayange oromwako gatatu niga umeranete na makwera ye asokorobekana gwakole kanteri tukurigoro maiga yo gwakoli sasi asebigoti byaye kolengana nangina amonenka igo batigarete baumatete nabo igo mbirero bali.
He was to finish his course next year. Now this is the kind of graduation they are bringing me to. Mtoto wangu aliokotwa huko kwa barabara. Alikufia tu pale pale. Askari waliua mtoto wangu.
Kukufa wewe sijua kama unatokea wapi. Lakini ndio yeye. Nimehakikisha ndio yeye na hata siamini sasa nitaanza kusema chochote kuliko kuomboleza.
Chinga kichi aboroki wabe University ya Maseno nigo batebere buna abanyanyimbo ndigo bamurasete bosa William atakoreti mamo chandonsi.
The trigger came from the police. We were triggered to respond. We were peacefully demonstrating until the police started throwing tear gas at comrades. In fact, when they started throwing tear gas, it's the comrades who were trying to quell them down. We had no bad intentions because at that point, before William was killed, nothing was destroyed, nobody was injured until they killed William. That is when 1, 2, 3 things that they are reporting that happened.
Voigo omwibori ye amone yamate nigo baichaniro gosira ku mwana obo motangi oyo konyoro isire gukora university.
Nikaambiwa mtoto ako hospitali na wakanidanganya tia kufa. Kufika nikaambiwa uko kwa mlango mtoto alikufa kitambo. Sasa ninahuzunika sana mtoto wangu first born tadi ya Maseno. Nashanga mtoto alifanya nini kuuawa mtoto wangu si bandit. Badala ya maskari kutulindia watoto tena wanaua. I've lost my child. My child was at the Maseno University. I've lost my child.
Umuraiwe kyama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga nigo chinga kye cyatebire buna nakigotene na amone chinga kiri cyasiririe abancho babo.
We pass our sincere condolences to the families that lost loved ones to the police brutality. We will stand with those families in all ways, including pursuing justice on behalf of their loved ones. We will ensure that all those responsible are held to account for the lives that were cut short and the pains of those who got injured.
Ekyo getigarite bono no kumanyanga tambukiro kikirachi kumukigwa ase bali abasireti amagimabo ayonsi nkyanda ikomi ribori nribuna ningoko mukigwa eserikali gosembalia bare korobekana Ndizi TV